Hello everyone, now I will explain how to modify a template project into a customized project tailored to your needs. This template project contains two pages, a login page and a control page. The login page allows modification of the login password. The control page includes sections for Visca camera control, audio processor control, matrix control, and sequenced power control. In the UI design, if you want to change the background color or image of a page or component, select the target page or component. In the right-hand basic info panel, locate the background setting. Click it to choose and apply a different color or pattern image. The logic is divided into 5 parts. Login page logic, Visca camera control logic, audio processor control logic, matrix control logic, sequenced power control logic. Login page logic modification. In the logical design area, locate the logic specific to the login page. The login logical decision module handles username and password validation. Click its settings icon to modify the judgment expression. The default username is admin. To change it, simply replace admin with your desired username. The default password comparison checks if 2 equals 3, but the actual initial password is stored in the middle buffer module set to admin. If you change this default password, the old one will no longer work. Below this are the Change PWD Logical Decision and Confirm PWD Logical Decision modules for password modification logic, which you may leave unchanged. The error messages for incorrect username or password in the login page can be edited in the UI design. Select the hidden text box and modify its text in the info panel. Error messages for original password incorrect or confirmation mismatch during password change can be adjusted in the command sending module in the logic design. Visca camera control logic. Since Visca is a standard camera control protocol, few modifications are needed. If you want to adjust pan, tilt, or zoom speed, you can tweak the zoom in and zoom out commands in the move speed and directly send command modules. Audio processor control logic. This involves volume control for one channel, including slider, volume up, down, mute, and unmute operations. Using channel 1 as an example, 1. Slider control. When the slider triggers an action, the current value is output from the UI action module. In the send command module, replace the volume parameter with 0. Which represents the incoming slider value. 2. Volume up-down. The second and fifth commands adjust volume up and down. Ensure the step increment matches the step settings in the UI design. 3. Mute-unmute. The third and fourth commands perform mute and unmute. Just copy the appropriate commands into the correct nodes. 4. Preset recall. The final 4 commands call preset operations. Copy the respective preset commands into the designated nodes. Sequenced power control logic. This is straightforward. Copy the on-off commands for each power channel into the corresponding send command nodes. Matrix control logic. In the UI design, when adding a matrix component, you will need to configure the communication IDs for each input-output button. After selecting an input channel and then pressing an output channel, the matrix module outputs both IDs via 0, input, and 1, output. In the send command module, replace those placeholders in ASCII command templates, then copy the commands into the module. For preset recall within the matrix, copy the preset commands into the appropriate nodes. After completing your logic modifications, don't forget to update the interface or IP configuration to match your actual environment. That concludes the explanation of the template project. Feel free to reach out if you'd like help adapting any other parts. Thank you for watching.